Dogecoin a few hours ago broke 32 cents. We had Bitcoin break 52,000. We have XRP almost $1.50. Look at Solana, $160. Things are going crazy for cryptos, and we are in the midst of the biggest bull run in crypto history. Make sure you watch this entire video. You cannot miss what I have in store for you today. What's up, Myles? It's ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos about Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies that we make every day, where we call out huge plays way before they happen. If you want to get access to my profitable trade signals when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, join my Patreon for only $10 a month, where you get access to profitable trade alerts like Solana. We bought Solana $40, $50. We bought Ethereum $1,700. We bought XRP super cheap. I have a bunch of services to help you make money, build you a portfolio, teach you technical analysis, and much more. And also, you can join my 5,000 member Discord in my video description for free right now. But if you love Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies, smash up the like button. It helps us support the channel and the Dogecoin and crypto community. And let me know in the comments below, how high do you think Dogecoin is going to get this week, because things are starting to heat up. Yoshi wants to say hi, but he's kind of being lazy. It's Labor Day. He's trying to celebrate it and all. So we have some incredible information to share with you in this video, and I'm so excited to share it with you. So Bitcoin top resistance at $51,000. So we actually broke $52,000 this morning, and it says the golden cross is nearing. So not only is the golden cross nearing, but we are breaking out above this fib channel. We are nearing the golden cross. The golden cross is the 50-day moving average coupled with the 200-day moving average on a chart. Generally, when the 200-day is crossed by the 50-day, it's a very long-term bullish signal, which means it's going to confirm the bull run that we are in. It's going to confirm that we are going to be going much, much higher from now and towards the end of the year. We're not only seeing this, but the Bitcoin whales have added $41,000 in Bitcoin to their holdings in the last 10 days. And this was a couple of days ago. So this news is a bit old. So I would imagine that this number might even be double what it is now or greater. But most importantly, to see the Golden Cross event happening, generally what happens after that is there are huge long-term runs, not just a quick pump and go up to like 60,000 or 70,000. We are talking about a massive run, a massive bull run for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. And if you have been looking at the charts lately, you can see when Bitcoin starts to move up, so does Dogecoin. They're following each other exactly. It's very interesting to see that. Look at this. Regulating crypto could give it a halo of legitimately, says the UK watchdog. So a lot of people like ourselves, we see FUD on the news like, oh, they want to regulate crypto, they want to tax it, this and that. What a lot of experts are saying is that yes, there's some negative sentiment going around. This could be bad for cryptos and that, but it's actually not bad. Getting regulation for crypto, not only in the US, but all around the world, but specifically the US, because it's more powerfully centered in the US than the UK or anywhere else around the world, will actually be very good for cryptos, because what it's going to do, it's going to allow banks, it's going to allow financial institutions to see that this is a heavily regulated thing. And especially people that are more speculative of crypto assets or Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, those people that were speculative will become less speculative now that it's regulated. The government has put their stamp on it saying, okay, we have this under control. And a lot of the fears that people may have had with cryptocurrencies will go to zero, because if something is regulated, that means that there's a business behind it. There's a growth in it. There's money in it. People are making money. And if there was no future for cryptocurrencies, there wouldn't be regulation. They wouldn't even consider it for regulation. So this goes to show you that the government, big money, that the government now believes in cryptocurrencies, that the government is now putting their stamp on cryptocurrencies. And this is this huge growth adoption curve that we've been talking about. All these people jumping in this space. We have retailers, they want to accept Dogecoin. We have stores, they want to accept cryptocurrency. We have people, they want to sell their house in cryptocurrencies. We have all these different people that are getting involved in cryptocurrency for what for some way or another, and for whatever reason and purpose it is. But the thing and the best reason why people are getting into cryptocurrencies is because this is the 21st century gold rush. This is the greatest financial opportunity that we will ever discover in our lifetime. And us getting into it really early, we will never have to worry about money again, depending if we can just invest, dollar cost average, hold for the long term, and continue to wait out this short term of volatility. But things are more bullish than we've ever seen them before, and things are really just going to start taking off like we've never seen before as well. So we have some very big things happening this week for cryptocurrencies. And look at this, Bitcoin becomes legal tender in El Salvador. 5 things to watch in Bitcoin this week. So yes, El Salvador had made Bitcoin their legal tender, their legal currency, right? You can even Google, hey, what is the currency of El Salvador? And you'll see it as Bitcoin. So now that cryptocurrencies are in a very bullish momentum, El Salvador is actually this week officially going to make Bitcoin their legal currency. And I believe, according to this article, it says on Tuesday that El Salvador will make Bitcoin their legal tender. It says right here, on Tuesday, El Salvador will officially begin using Bitcoin as its national currency alongside the US dollar. So this is absolutely amazing. And despite what all these other people around the world were telling them, world banks, stay away from it, don't do it, no, it's the end of the world, they've continued in their plan and their intent, and this is very good. And when people around the world, other countries who are struggling with their economy, with their dollar, when they see the benefits that El Salvador is going to receive from doing this, they're also going to jump along board. There's many other countries, at least 12 countries, I believe, give or take, that are considering doing this same thing. But I think a lot of them are sitting back. They're also developing the plans right now in their courts, but a lot of them may be sitting back to see what happens with El Salvador, how the World Bank reacts to them, and much more. So I think that this is going to be very good, and this is going to be very bullish for Bitcoin. And when things are bullish for Bitcoin, things are bullish for Dogecoin. Now look at this. We are now today, we are in extreme greed on a holiday. It's very good to see that. We are in extreme greed. We know that when we get to extreme greed, we get extreme pumps, we get extreme moves for cryptocurrencies, and things are just about to get started. Mark my words. And remember, none of this is financial advice, just my own opinion through many years of investment and trading experience. And if you want a good platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, join using my WEBULL link. If you sign up and deposit $100 using my link, I'll send you 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000. Which you can immediately sell or send to your bank account at any time. Most importantly, let's do some technical analysis because cryptos are starting to blast off right before our very eyes. We'll start off with Bitcoin. So here we had 52.2 this morning, just several hours ago, when Dogecoin broke 32 cents. Bitcoin broke 52 cents. Very interesting to see. So look at this. In just the last day, we've had such an incredible move up, and we've just had this strong bullish momentum, higher highs and higher lows. We're continuing to head up. But look at the Bitcoin dominance, ladies and gentlemen. If we zoom out to the 4 hour, the Bitcoin dominance is dropping like hotcakes. And when this happens, ladies and gentlemen, the altcoins start going crazy, and that's what's happening. Solana just absolutely going crazy. We bought Solana at dirt cheap, and it is up just amazing. It's crazy to see this. XRP $1.40. We bought XRP in the Patreon at $1.40. This thing is just beyond bullish. Look, it's breaking out of this level of resistance, and we just tried multiple times to break this resistance, which we just broke out the last hour or so. So that is looking very good. Cardano kind of falling back a little bit, cooling off after massive runs, but we are still headed up. Look at how tight this area is getting. When that thing starts to get tight, we know big moves are underway. So I'm very excited for Cardano. But most importantly, let's look at Dogecoin. If we zoom out of this chart, if we look at the weekly, look at the weekly. This is all green. Every single week since July, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks, 7 green weeks in a row. That's very bullish. If we go to the daily time frame, we can see how the chart is playing out. We are still looking extremely bullish. Look, one big move up, a small correction. which ended up being a consolidation, and then we're continuing to move up, most likely going to break this 35 cents level of resistance and continuing to head up. If we zoom out a little bit, let's see what's going on here. So in the 30-minute time frame, since we've seen that 27 to 26 cent drop, we've had higher highs and higher lows, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this. Just like I've been calling out on this channel for weeks, things are still extremely bullish. So I would not put it past Dogecoin to do something crazy here very soon, as we've been seeing Dogecoin kind of fall back a little bit. But a lot of it has to do with the price movement of Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been falling back. Bitcoin has been kind of going slow because some of these altcoins, Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, are receiving so much attention. And that's what's actually pulling a bit away from Dogecoin, but it's fine. Dogecoin and Bitcoin will have their time to shine. These crazy altcoins will not always just go up and up and up and up. They're gonna eventually maybe have a correction, a cool off period, and the money's gonna start flowing more strongly into Bitcoin and Dogecoin. So we will also be paying attention to that. And then Elon Musk can come out anytime and start tweeting about Dogecoin, which we have not seen a real tweet from him for a long time. And when that happens, the people will go crazy again. And do not forget, DOGEX, the official Dogecoin NFT, is going to be launching tomorrow at 12 p.m. Eastern. And if you want to get access to that, you can look them up even on Twitter, DOGEX. They have a website to tell you how you can mint and get an NFT. And also there's a Discord. There's a bunch of people in there to help answer your questions. I highly recommend it. I would definitely at least get one of them, get a couple of them. They're not going to be very expensive. And in the future, these things can be really worth, who knows, potentially thousands upon thousands of dollars. I definitely would recommend getting it. I'm getting it to myself. I love the project. They're going to have a metaverse in the future where you can use your NFT to communicate with others with the NFTs. So it's a huge community. People that love Dogecoin and part of the Dogecoin community are going to be jumping in. So I would definitely check it out. So if you got something out of the video, make sure you blow up the comment section, smash the like button, and I will see you all tomorrow. Have a good one.